morning, everybody. So it's about 44 degrees here in Florida, and I stayed pretty toasty last night. The electric heating blanket that I bought right here, it lasted the whole night on the Jacari 240. The first night I did it, I think it was only like 80% charged, and but this time I made sure it was completely 100% charged before I went to bed, and that was around 8:30, and it is, I think, almost 7 o'clock right now in the morning. So, and there's still 15% charge left on the Jackery. So I don't even know how many hours that is in my head. Around 12 hours or so, probably. From 8 to 8 would be 12. So yeah, I think that's pretty exciting news. As you just saw as well, I got my little one burner working properly. So I made my first cup of hot tea. And actually it's my second cup of hot tea. I made some hot tea last night. I made my sleepy time tea last night. And this is my morning tea, which is the peach tranquility and jade citrus mint. And this is the one that Starbucks uses. And the mixture of these two is really good together. I like it a lot, so I bought some for myself. My dog Bentley is snuggled under the covers down here.
Danny, wanna see everybody? I say hi. Yeah, are you warm? Are you warm, Banners? You're a good boy, Banny. Love you.
He also helped with the heating situation last night. Let me let some of this light in. I put these pillows up here so it'll keep the cold draft from coming in. You can kind of see the sun coming up. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing today. Probably, I did pick up a galvanized tub that I want to use for my sink. The cold makes me not want to do anything. I just want to stay on the covers with my Bentley. With my Bentley. Because I can these days. You know? I have no responsibilities and it's great. Cheers to that.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I me
This is probably
then.
the
Tell
best
me
part.
now what I could do.
Is looking out the window.
Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too.
You love them too, Ben?
You're the only one for me.